Hi, I'm Miss Huffman.
And I'm Miss B. Welcome to our Caregiver Corner.
In our Two Teachers Interactive Read Aloud playlist, we just read I'll Wait, Mr. Panda, where we modeled practicing and making predictions. Okay, Miss B, tell us more about predicting.
Yeah, so I think it's important to understand exactly what predicting is. First, think of it as a tool that helps keep your child's mind engaged and activated as they work through a text. When students actively predict while reading, what ends up happening is they stay connected to the text and can reflect upon, refine, and then later revise their predictions.
Right, kind of like creating a moving show in their brain.
Yeah.
And what would you say predicting requires of our readers?
I think it requires two important things. One, it requires readers to use clues the author provides in the text. And the second thing it requires readers to use what they know from personal experience or knowledge, and we call that schema. When readers combine these two things, they can make relevant and more logical predictions. Additionally, asking students to justify their predictions keeps them accountable for their thinking, and what ends up happening is they take their thinking a whole lot deeper.
Wow, that's certainly true. And research has shown time and time again that having that background knowledge or prior knowledge has a huge impact on how well our readers understand the text. So, when does predicting take place?
Readers should be encouraged to make predictions before, during, and after reading. Now, all of this depends on your child's experience with predicting. Sometimes children may need a little bit more support, so you may need to use some sentence stems like, I think blank will happen because blank, or since blank happened, I think that blank will happen.
Yes, sentence stems are super helpful, especially for the little ones, to express their ideas both inside the classroom, but also outside the classroom. And can you explain why predicting is important?
Sure thing. So I think predicting is important because it helps aid in reading comprehension. So helping students both understand and retain the information that they've read.
Yeah, and that is a good skill to have, not only in the classroom, but also outside the classroom.
Yes.
Well, knowing all this information, how would you suggest that families practice?
Yeah, so at home, I think it's as easy as discussing the who, what, when, why, and how. It could also be as easy as stopping and asking your child, what are you thinking about? What did you notice? And something I think is also super important is teaching children to make inferences. Now, in order to do that, you have to select books that reflect the child's background, like a mirror, or books that aid in helping a child experience the life of someone else, like a sliding glass door.
Wow, that's a really important piece, too. And just being able to see yourself in a character's position is going to be so impactful in your child's engagement and learning. Well, thanks for expanding upon our knowledge of predicting and the important role that it plays in our readers, both young and old. And hopefully our caregivers now feel a little more confident to support the skill with their child. And if you want to see predicting skills in practice, head over to our interactive Read Aloud playlist, where you can watch I'll Wait, Mr. Panda by Steve Antony.
Happy reading! Bye!